All right, so this section is going to be a relatively short section. 9.4 is going to deal with some vocab terms regarding biodiversity. So we've talked about biodiversity in the last couple of sections. The biodiversity is going to be the variation of life on the planet or in an area or ecosystem, biome, community, so on and so forth. So it could refer to an ecosystem, species, or even genetics. Ecosystem diversity is going to refer to the number of different ecosystems on the planet. Some examples you can see here is we see kind of a mountain ecosystem, a freshwater lake ecosystem, looks like a grasslands ecosystem, alpine ecosystem. Species diversity is going to refer to the number of different species on the planet or within a given parameter. So maybe we're looking at species diversity for the entire Earth, or maybe we're looking at species diversity in a specific or a particular biome, or even species diversity in your backyard. Genetic diversity refers to the number of different genes in a species. So individual organisms will differ in their specific genome. So this refers to the total different kinds of genes in a population. Long story short with that, the gene pool. The gene pool in a specific population is genetic diversity. So biodiversity as a natural resource is extremely important. So biodiversity contributes to many fields of science, and more important, or the major ones are medicine and engineering. So if we lose biodiversity, then we may lose advances in medical science and engineering. So resources can be lost to humanity as we lose biodiversity. A lot of medicines are derived or are based on plants and their properties. The last slide is conservation. Okay, so if we're losing these natural resources, conservation is the act of preserving species and ecosystems. And typically, this is achieved by the enforcement of laws and regulations, also known, you probably know them as game wardens. There's rules on hunting and fishing. There's also rules on pollution, water management. There's grades for species according to the level of danger of extinction, and the other Conservation Act is to educate the public on the importance of biodiversity to humans. So again, very short section here. There is a form that goes with it. If you have any questions, let me know, and we're just a few videos away from being done with the year. Thank you.